What's going on? It's Luke from Mad Vintage. Gonna do an unboxing video. All of this stuff has been about for the past 2 weeks. Got a crazy amount of stuff in. Honestly, forgot a lot of the stuff I bought. But yeah, if there's anything that you are interested in this video, hit me up on Instagram, MADD_vintage, or it'll make its way to the website, Mad Vintage. Or if you have anything to sell similar to this stuff, I'm always buying stuff, mainly looking for band tees, 70s to like early 2000s stuff. And then I also do like modern hardcore stuff, which is what I like really. But yeah, just gonna get into it. Fab cut. Oh, alright, probably some good stuff in this box. The box is from my boy Zach. I think his Instagram is Merch Came Falling. Impaled. Nazarene. What else we got? Ooh. Blood for Blood, 98. Killing Time. Damn, long sleeve. Just another raw deal. Screen Stars tag. AFI. It was, I think, 98. Something like that. East Bay Hardcore. 90s Gorilla Biscuits, Hold Your Ground. Damn. The Entombed shirt. Some people just won't take you for an answer. It's a great shirt. Bolt thrower. Damn. I'm probably be like all giddy and stuff because there's so much stuff that's came in that I had forgotten about, like just wild shit. 90s Integrity hoodie. Okay, this could be a good episode or a good video. Bolt thrower long sleeve. 1991. Wow. 90s Hatebreed. Satisfaction is the death of desire. What I have in my heart, I'll take to my grave. 90s Youth of Today hoodie. Physically strong, morally straight, positive youth. We're the youth of today. Alright, first box. Can't get better than that. Gonna make a mess of everything in this video, so I don't know where to put everything. These came from my boy Ricky. Dump Toes, early-ish Title Fight long sleeve. Another good Title Fight. Ooh, early 2000s Necro. That's a good one. No recollection of where that came from. If I can remember where I got something from, I'll probably try to shout them out. Harm's Way long sleeve. Shout out Bud. Ooh, shit. Got this from Steven. He actually thrifted this, which is crazy. It is a small, still, I guess you can say rare size for this. Can you see that? I don't know. Giant tag, 90s Deftones hoodie, Spice Girls rap tee. Nice navy blue. From Jacob Starr. Shout out Jacob, homie. Bro had double bagging. This video is gonna be all over the place. I'm gonna try to edit it because I wanna put more effort into my videos in the new year. Not even the new year, I just want to get back into YouTube. It's fun. I had about like 15 videos stashed up that I didn't do anything with. Just wasn't really happy with the quality of them, but yeah, I'm gonna try to get back into it. 90s Overkill long sleeve. The Napalm Death Was Ill. Modern Marauder. Same as the tapestry or flag I have up there. 90s 25 to Life long sleeve. It's pretty sick. Let me get this one open. Early 2000s Haste the Day. I believe this is, yeah, another early 2000s Haste the Day. Ooh. Love this Madonna. I think this one's probably Blonde Ambition tour. Yeah. Blonde Ambition 1990 Madonna. 90s Korn Return. My like sticker came out. Early 2000s Hatebreed, Rise of Brutality. Ooh, good 90s Charles Manson. Another 90s Charles. Wow. Then the next year I forgot about. Damn, this thing is beautiful. Super thrashed. 90s. Probably not that 94, right? Damn. Kind of smells like Za. Chamberlain, you be puffing in this? I think that's where I got it from, right? Chamberlain vintage. Damn, this thing is super clapped out Soundgarden. This thing's insane. The repairs on it. Just, damn. Everything about that shirt's insane. The fade. That shirt's perfect. Rotten Cotton 90s. Jeffrey Dahmer. Still can't get over that Soundgarden. That thing is so good. What else we got? Jared Cantrell, 2002. Little Joy Division. Probably early 2000s as well. Unknown Pleasures. One of 7 IKEA bags down. Another early 2000s Hatebreed, Rise of Brutality, a Mad Vintage Classic, modernish, not modernish, modern, bleeding. Ooh, I think these are from Richie. Yeah, these are the shirts from Richie. These things are insane. The 90s Marauder, Master Killer, Dickies shorts. I've been wanting a pair of these for a minute. If they don't fit me, I'm either hemming them or becoming anorexic so they fit me, or they're too big, start bulking, I guess. But I'm gonna do anything for these to fit me. These are so good. American Psycho. Some metal bands don't know. Carrot. Ooh, For the Love of. Withdrawal. Cro-Mags Age of Coral long sleeve. Early 2000s or late 90s Poison. Grief. Early 2000s Sepultura. Schizophrenia. Modern Dystopia. Let's clear the deck here. Little early 2000s Death Cab for Cutie. Early 2000s AF. Good tag on this. One of the Public Enemies that everyone's have had a million times because it's just a million dead stock ones of them. Still got 90 Public Enemy though. Early 2000s Hatebreed. Call for Blood. Early 2000s Terror. This came from my boy Vic over at Mills. Tote bag as well. Thank you, Vic. Mills Varsity. That's the homie. Damn. Forgot I bought this. 90s Marauder Master Killer. Little sleeveless action. 90s Judas and Mary chain. Dickies Betty Page shirt. Nails. Ooh, good Soundgarden. Not as good as the other one, but still a good 90s super unknown Soundgarden. Tried and true classic. Oh shit. Who's this from? Oh, it's from Bones. Shout out Bones. I completely forgot I got this off his whatnot. Shit. Good 90s Crowbar with the back hit. All I had, I gave. That's a good shirt. It's a really good shirt. 9 Inch Nails hoodie. The little hip action hit. Good Cure. Really good Cure. 80s Pink Floyd. Early 2000s Take Off Your... Early 2000s Blink, Take Off Your Pants and Jacket. A little modern Gorilla Biscuits action. Thrifted 2 of these, or 2, this one and another GB by me recently. It's pretty cool thrift find. I don't really get that much good thrift pulls. Ooh, oh, these are from Nick, right? I think this is from Nick. All over prints. 90s Jimi Hendrix Mosquito Head. Forgot I got that. When I opened the package, I thought it was a mosquito. I was like, oh shit. But I guess it was. Good 90s Gorilla Biscuits. Just put one of these on the site. I'm getting ran down on right now. Someone just like pulled up right up to the door, like went like that, and peaced out. Okay. Ringworm, Modern Refused. Ooh, this one's cool. Early 2000s Boss Tones bootleg. With all the band on the back. That one's pretty sick. Looks like a red tee. Ooh, good pop. 90s All on Me. Tupac. Me Against the World. Modern Minor Threat. Another pack from Vic. Another little tote bag. Thank you, Grit. I said thank you. I don't even know what I said. Grit. Thank you, Vic. Well, this one's ill. This Mad Season bootleg. It's a great shirt. 90s Morrissey bootleg. 80s Creatures. Never had this one. I've had a good amount of Creature shirts. Not this one though. Ooh, good ETC, E-Town Concrete. The Resurrection AD back hit. Got a lot of dead stock E-Town shirts from the guy who ran Resurrection. 90s Earth Crisis, Animal Liberation. Another tried and true classic. 90s Cold as Life. 90s Charlatans with the Tommy hit. Another good Sepultura bootleg. Thank you, Vic, on those. Another Mad Vintage classic. Probably been like 3 of these in the video so far. Early 2000s Hatebreed. 90s Amorphous. Oh, 2000 Amorphous. I lied. A metal band, I don't know. I don't feel like taking time to read right now. Know the band, but don't know how to pronounce it. I'm not gonna make a fool of myself on it. Keep it moving, keep it moving. A lot to go through. Early 2000s, 9 Inch Nails. 2000 on the dot. Early 2000s, IC. I think it was Tool. 9 Inch Nails. Year 0. Ooh, this is a good package right here. So, off the top, we got Mary J. Blige Rat Tee. And we got a smoked out Thrash Tupac Rap Tee. Just sold one of these, so got another one back in. 80s. I think it's 87, right? Anthrax. Yep, 1987. Terrible print job on this. Looks weird. Make sure it's not a repro. Destiny's Child. Early 2000s Pearl Jam. Good Bulls. Ooh, 90s 9 Inch Nails. Or 94. Oh wait, this might be a return. This might be a return. I don't know. I think that's an eBay return. All That Remains. Yeah, I think that was an eBay return, but it had the same red stains that my other one had. Or I bought it back from the person who sold it to me. I don't know. Hatebreed for the Lions. Great cover album. Ooh, good title fight. Long sleever. Good 90s. Soundgarden Super Unknown. The Superman-esque hit. Early 2000s Crass. Another 90s Soundgarden. Not this one. Good Choking Victim though. Probably haven't had one of these in like 4 years now. I had a couple at one point. Good 90s Soundgarden. A little early 2000s Burn with the Rev hit in the back. Cool. Shout out Nate for these. Tried to buy this one from him at ThriftCon, the Selena from him at ThriftCon, but he didn't want to sell it. But good Selena. Probably the best one in my opinion. But beautiful bootleg on this. The 90s Scream promo. Ooh, early 2000s Brand New. Great Canceled Man. 90s Wu-Tang. It's a good one. Big bright orange graphic on that. This one's kind of weird. Early 2003 Finch. Pretty sick. Not a lot of cool Finch t-shirts. This came from Jelly. Don't remember what I bought. Oh shit, I do remember what I bought. Good Radiohead. Not single. I think it was a Euro, right? Yeah, in the Euro hands. Good Radiohead. Good Radiohead. 90s Santana overprint. 90s Iggy Pop. Ooh. Good. I think it was in 77. I haven't had one of these in years. Yeah, 77. Frank Zappa. Pretty cool Kanye tattoo shirt. 90s The Meatmen. And good. This is probably like 2000 Mortician, right? 2001 Mortician. Ooh, good Vision Disorder. I think this came from my homie, I don't remember his name, but Self-Destruct. We're always buying and trading shit. Good homie. Early 2000s Bathory. Camo pants that I bought for myself. Early 2000s Phobia. Good Bulls rap tee. I don't think I've had this one. Dennis Rodman on it. And Scotty. Sick one. Oh, I think these are from Bones, right? I don't know. Good Nora. Really good Nora. With the Trustkill back kit. Every time I've had this one, it's been like a smaller medium. Good XL on that one. Cowboy Bebop. Got it cleared. The deck. Ooh, good 90s 9 Inch Nails bootleg. I think I sold this one to him and then he sold it back to me. I don't know. I've had this exact shirt, the same boxy fit. But yeah. CM Punk. Good wrestling tee. I don't really get a lot of wrestling stuff in. I was working on a big wrestling haul, but fell through. It was just all like 90s, Stone Cold, Undertaker, that type of stuff. Title Fight long sleeve. Down. Rorschach. Getting some of the boxes. Woo! Table's collapsing. No. Early 2000s ODB. Full blown chaos. Ooh. Early 2000s Sub-Zero hoodie. Sick one. Running out of places to throw stuff. This is from one of the homies that I'd like to shout out, but I don't remember who he's from or who this is from. Good 90s Morbid Angel long sleeve. Good Madball, Hold It Down. 90s Sepultura, 96. Brazil jersey, obviously. Good 90s Typo Negative Wolf Moon. Super faded. Sick one. Good 90s LOA. Early 2000s Cradle. Ooh, this is a good box. This is from my homie Max. Thank you. Hawks Vintage. Kanye Sketch Bear. Kanye Sketch Bear. Kanye Sketch Bear. Kanye. Kanye Sketch Bear. Kanye Sketch Bear. College Dropout. Kanye Sketch Bear. Kanye. College Dropout. Miracle Whip Kanye. Good box right there. Thank you, Max. As I go through this, I remember stuff that I bought and like thinking about where it's gonna be, like whose box it's gonna be in. It's a really good pack I got from the homies in Thailand. Their shirts in there I've never had before that I'm really excited to get. I think it's all just like modern hardcore metal. Force Order. Tongues, Buried Alive, Magnitude, The Bog, Schism, Out for Justice, Beastie Boys, NEG, One Life Crew, good one, Turning Point, Infest, Orchard, I don't know, God Tate, Good God Tate, and what's this? Ooh, a little Harvest Windbreaker. Big bag from Fate. Ooh, it's a good pack. I think this is from Holy Souls. I think I got all these from him. Good Elvis Mosquito Head. Questionable Elvis Mosquito Head. Rephrase it. Good Stone Temple Pilot bootleg. This one's crazy. Got a big Cypress Hill hit on the back. Good one. Couple modern Don Rocks. Jesus Loves You. Terror. Billion Served. Another Terror. What is this again? Red Cross, 90s Red Cross. Elvis Mosquito Head. Big old shotgun in the back, but still an Elvis. Still a Mosquito Head. Interesting flag choice. Don't know. Probably because Elvis is a Southern boy, but good Nightmare on Elm Street. I think it's like a tattoo promo. Yeah, Nightmare on Ink Street. This one's sick. And good Fear and Loathing, 1995. Dead. Ooh. Fuck, who are these from? It's from the homie. Capital City Wares. Thank you for these ones. We're trying to get these off him for a minute. Really good Jay-Z DMX with Method Man and Redman on the back. I like how this one has both their albums on it. Yeah, this one's crazy. Another rap tee. Tupac. Machiavelli. Really good one. Good Hot 97 rap tee. Got Jay-Z, DMX. Everybody on the back. The back hit's crazy. Good Naughty by Nature. This one's sick. Lil Wayne, the Carter 3, 09. Good size too. I feel like most Waynes from that time are terrible sizes. Another good box. I think we used it from Nick. Prints. Good Napalm Death. And the weird Delta Beijas tag. 80s NWA. Raggedy Ann Dolls, getting after it. Ooh! Forgot about this shirt. Good 90s Wu-Tang. Cash Rules, Everything Around Me. Kareem. I just like bit the shirt. Oh man, this one's so good. Good 90s Wu-Tang. Early 2000s Black Flag, Police Story. 90s Therapy. Early 2000s Jay-Z. Good Guns N' Roses, Stoned in LA. Another tried and true classic. Oh! Alright, this is the package from the boys in Thailand. There's some gnarly shit in this package. Off the top. I spent some money on both these boys. I haven't been excited for it to open a pack like this in a minute. Good 90s, the Sundays. Reading, Writing, and Arithmetic, long sleeve, Euro. Crazy shirt. Next. I'm not doing it to this, but the shirt after it. 90s, Deftones, Dickies, nice heather gray. Don Rock, Butthole Surfers. This one is insane. Really good shirt. Damn. All right. So the next shirt, other than my heart-shaped box and a few shirts I've kept, this might be the best shirt I've ever had. This one's insane. 90s. Wu-Tang Man, Ice Cream Man. I don't even know if that was just English, what I just said. Ice Cream Man, Ice Cream. Wow. This is a really good shirt. Never had one of these. Never had a Wu-Tang rap tee. This one's insane. Very stoked to have this. I'm in like awe. That's ridiculous. Alright, keeping it going. 90s Tupac rap tee. Second one of these in the video. Can never be too safe. And then Good Patra. That was a pack right there. Okay, continuing. Acacia strain. I'm like still not over that Wu-Tang rap too. Early 2000s, The First Step. This is a good pack too. This is a really good pack. 90s, The Charlatans. Good one. 90s, The Smiths. Rank. Another good, The Smiths. Elvis on it. Another one. And another good Smiths. And lastly, Crispy Nirvana Incesticide. Great shirt. This one's cool. Holy shit. I did not expect it to be this good of a size or this big of a size. 2XL. 1981 Rolling Stones thermal. That's kind of a crazy size for that. Thrash U2. I always like this one. Just the colors on it is nice. And the graphic. I feel like everybody's had this shirt a million times. Good Aggressor. Impaled. Not Impaled, I lied. 90s Screeching Weasel. UB40. Another UB40. UB40. Ooh, good early 2000s Thursday full collapse. I think that one's dead stock. Saw the tag flapping around. Ooh, this one's crazy. 1989 Eazy-E. The comic-esque print on the front. Haven't really showed any of the tags, but this one's crazy. 1989 Eazy-E. Lynch Mob. With the Street Knowledge back hit. Another good one. Early 2000s Death. Symbolic. Modern-ish Dead Heat. Clear the deck on these. Another Thursday full collapse. Raglan. Really nice wear on this, super thin. Judge long sleeve. The box came destroyed and got even more mangled on the way here. But dead stock Beastie Boys with the Winterland tag. This is dead stock that came out of the package. 90s Monster Magnet. Good and tuned long sleeve, Wolverine Blues. 90s Nail Bomb. Early 2000s Carnivore. Good 90s Sepultura hoodie. 90s Cannibal Corpse. Pretty sick Sepultura work shirt. Another Sepultura work shirt. Three-peat. Modern Metallica. 90s Tankard. Signed Marauder shirt. Offspring Americana. Ooh. Metallica. Madball. 1993. Very patriotic. Punishable Act, Cripple Bastards, Lack of Interest. Something sick. I had one of these. Oh, it's not the same one I was thinking about. The other one that has Sub Toro on it, I think. But 6 of them. Another Ye box from Max. This one has D1, the Kanye Louis Vuitton. I don't know why I said it like that, but Kanye LV. This one's sweet. Another Kanye. Another Kanye. And then, not Kanye. Good one though. Very good one. Good Misfits. Murphy's Law. Death Before Dishonor. Another one of those 2001 Morticians. General Surgery. Bury Your Dead. Pretty sick. Like 2000, 1999. Agnostic Front. Early 2000 Super Joint Ritual. And then Death Threat Last Days. Sick one. 3 Ozfests. 2001. 2003. 2002. Another one of those tears. Half Heart. Kids Like Us. Other Kids Like Us. Another Kids Like Us. Ooh, another Soundgarden. I think there was another one of these. But another Soundgarden, Super Unknown. Better Fate on this one. Good Neurosis long sleeve. Good 80s uniform choice. Good size on this one. Really good uniform choice. Bro, what? This looks like a turd. This better be the most insane shirt to be packed like that. No. Still a cool one though. Smoked Out, Thrashed. Betty Page. One True Thing. Oh! Okay, so this is actually a sick one. This is the, I can't remember her name, but she has the feature on the From Autumn to Ashes song. Her Own Stuff Rocks. That's a cool one. That's a good one. I don't know if that was one line wrong. Ooh, good 90s Gorilla Biscuits. Hold Your Ground. Good Bulldoze. Good size, 2X. For my real ass beaters. Not me. I said beaters, not eaters. Good typo. Just express yourself. Another good typo. Another good typo. Little 4-piece typo. Probably could open this a little bit easier, but good 90s Mortician. Hacked Up for Barbecue. Good 90s Morrissey. I don't think I've ever had this one. Sick one. Early 2000s American Nightmare. Converge. The High Cost of Playing God. Right? Yep. On a softer note, got a Soundgarden. Not a Soundgarden, Sailor Moon Baby Tee. My size. Sicker. Early 2000s. Sworn Enemy, As Real as It Gets. Another Tupac rap tee. '90s Red Cross. Another Spice Girls rap tee. 90s. Oh shit! All right, this I can't say that this is my favorite shirt of the video without Wu-Tang being in there, but musically wise, probably my favorite shirt. 90s Jeff Buckley with the Grace little hit on the front. Man, that's a good shirt. That's a really good shirt. Integrity beanie. Jedi Mind Tricks. Double Cross. Section. Oh, I think these are from Homie Shirt Breed. Reach the Sky. One King Down. Clenched Fist. I don't know. Demolition Hammer. Another Victim. Skinless. Right? Yeah, Skinless. Section 8. Vision. Hardware. Good Malevolent Creation long sleeve. Clenched Fist. Ooh, cool stigmata crew neck. Newer, but still sick. Sick of it all. Ooh, Dying Breed belt. It's pretty sick. I feel like Colin might need that. I don't know. Stigmata. Ooh, another good death threat. Life's a gamble. It's all what you roll. 411. Sick of it all beater. Stigmata beater. This one's sick. Troy Core. Another early 2000s, if I can hold it, Stigmata. Can't read it. Turmoil, right? Turmoil. E-Town. Marauder. 90s Stuck Mojo long sleeve. Season of Fire. Ooh, this one's sick. Good God Forbid. 2000 Stigmata. Another Skinless long sleeve. Hate Sign zine. And 90s Stuck Mojo champion jersey. Oh, I hate these packages. If you sell shirts or you mail anything, don't use these ones. Don't use these. Please don't. They're so annoying. 80s Murphy's Law. Metallica back patch. 80s Godfathers. Ooh. Good 70s Fleetwood Mac. Rumors. Good Sin City promo. Nice Beach Boys. 1982 Raglan. Rage long sleeve. Oh, the next one's sick. Good Donnie Darko promo. XL. Normally these are like mediums. Sick one. Oh, this came from my boy Reno. Vintage Reno, thank you. Early Ceremony. Good wear on this 2000 Smashing Pumpkins. I think this is the third one of these in this video. Another 94 Super Unknown Soundgarden. Good Smashing Pumpkins, Infinite Sadness. I think the one I had, these just sold yesterday, so replenish it. Cold as Life, if I can hold it. Buried Alive. Another Cold as Life. Congress hoodie. I think this is a return. I don't know, but I just sold this again? I don't know. Maybe it's my second one and it wasn't returned, I don't know. Ooh, good Soundgarden. I don't know, was there one of these in the video? There's been so many Soundgarden shirts, I don't know. But good Soundgarden, Super Unknown. Still not as good as that Fader one, but still a good shirt. Ooh, this one's sick. Half Heart Ascendance Rip. Sick one. Oh, this is a good Taking Back Sunday. Live Throwing Copper era, maybe. I just guessed. Is this every time I die? Good little Heated. Blink-182. Good little pack. Haven't had one of these in years, but good Allman Brothers All Over print. Good Smashing Pumpkins, Siamese Dream era. Little Thrasher. Nice little Kurt. Rancid. Trail of the Dead. I don't really see a lot of tees for this band. Ooh, this is a good Danzig. Nice little bootleg. Charlatans, UK. Linkin Park, Hybrid Theory. Constant Stimulation's almost over. Guttermouth. Ooh. Is that Nirvana original? I don't remember buying that. No, it's not. Damn it. 90s Motley Crue All Over print. Pink Floyd Division Bell. Holy thrash. Someone got stabbed. 2000s Eminem. Candlebox. Nirvana. Ooh. Another good Soundgarden. I think there's another one of these in the video already. I don't remember. Sweet Candlebox bootleg. With seaweed on the back. Oh shit. That's sick. Oh, these are from Heather. Yeah, Heather Bailey. Shout out her. Did a good little trade with her. Super. Damn, this Depeche Mode's sick. Oh, wow. I don't recall this being this cool. Damn. Sick Depeche Mode. Good Sonic Temple Cult. Cool Dissection. Dude, I have to do a whole Soundgarden drop. I completely forgot about this one. Soundgarden, Louder Than Fuck. This is a piece. Damn, this is such a good Soundgarden. I think I got this from Self-Destruct too. Maybe I'm lying, I don't know. I'm happy that there's been like crazy shirts and then like some okay shirts and then crazy shirts. I kind of like this format. Ooh, damn. Good Creatures. 1999. I kind of like this format. I know that I've been recording this for a while. I don't know how I'm going to exactly do this. I'm going to try to edit it and whatnot, but damn. 90s. Is this 90s? Single. Nirvana. Sick one. This one's sweet. 90s Antidote. You don't really see Antidote stuff. Long sleeve. The Euro Screen Stars. Pantera long sleeve. This is from the homie Drake. I forgot about these. This is the other Nine Inch Nails. I knew I bought another one, so that's what I was thinking of, but damn. Alright, the last I came back had some things in it. I'm happy that it wasn't all in the beginning of the video. Another 94 Nine Inch Nails Downward Spiral. Then the Dinosaur Jr. in my opinion. I've never seen the mintage. It's like an authenticated tag on the shirt on the bottom of it. What the heck? Thrashed Out Dinosaur Jr. Whatever's cool with me. Great shirt. Love this one. Early 2000s Refused. Cerebrus. Anime Tee. Devilman. New Model Army. What? I don't remember buying any of these. I don't know. Yeah, no recollection. Supreme Velvet Underground. Tintin, Harvey Danger, Refused, Alien Crime Syndicate. Oh, I remember where I got those from. That's a faded show where stuff was going. So I was just buying random shit. Well, these are from Dirt, right? Shout out the homie Dirt. Favorite person of vintage. Converge. Rocket from the Crypt. Early 2000s, Chain of Strength. Early 2000s, Cradle of Filth. Then good 90s, Kiss All Over print. Getting down to the bottom of the barrel on these. Ooh, shit. Good bolt thrower long sleeve, 1992. Crazy one. Ooh, Inuyasha. Pink Floyd, Raglan. Suicide Silence. Not more Kanye. College Dropout. Early 2000s Throwdown. Ooh, good 90s Ass Suck. And the Euro Screen Stars. Really good one. Is this Mental? Good Mental. Early 2000s Blacklisted. Early 2000s Sworn Enemy. Last bag of the video. And it's underwhelming. Early 2000s Ceremony. Good size though. XL. Some of they're like mediums. But yeah, that was everything in this video. That was a lot to go through. I don't know if I'm gonna split this up in parts, how I'm gonna edit it. So I don't know what I'm gonna do. But if this makes it to YouTube, thank you for watching. Hopefully I'll be doing more videos, and yeah, hopefully you enjoyed. Thank you.